What's the meaning of caffeine? Caffeine. Caffeine.
Caffeine. Caffeine. Caffeine is a natural substance found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and other plants. It works as a stimulant by blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and sleepiness. Caffeine can improve alertness, concentration, and cognitive performance, and may also enhance athletic performance and reduce fatigue. However, excessive caffeine intake can lead to adverse effects such as jitteriness, anxiety, insomnia, and high blood pressure. The optimal dose of caffeine varies depending on individual sensitivity, but most healthy adults can safely consume up to 400 milligrams per day, roughly equivalent to 4 cups of coffee.